What's good, Josh? Your girl back at you with another little one too. And today I got Indies because it was up the street, and it was either between Indies or Taco Bell. And I really wanted Taco Bell, but that Indies line was completely empty. So shout out to y'all. But I waited in a line for about 10 minutes. And I'm like, what the fuck? Oh shit. I'm eating it all day, y'all. It's 7:20. It's my first meal of the day. And got a little rice. They call it veggie rice, I guess. I don't know if I like it. Because it smells the way it tastes. Or it tastes the way it smells. I wonder who invented Indies. I don't think it was black people. Y'all, are y'all celebrating the 4th of July? I know the people in my neighborhood is. Because they've been popping fireworks since the end of June. And I just feel like if I'm going to burn my money up, I'm going to smoke it. Never in my adult life have I bought a firework. Ever. I've never bought a firework. And honestly and truly, the shit don't entice me, excite me, or it's. What they got in here? I see a tomato, celery. I taste that celery. I don't see it. Maybe a little onion. Yeah, a little onion. For this to be veggie rice, I could have put something else in there. John. But yes, y'all. It's another one of them days I ain't did nothing. It's hot outside. Bills is paid. I ain't got to do shit. That's how I feel here. Hold on. Bills is paid, honey. I ain't got to do shit. You know. I got paid today, and I ain't even have to work. You know, cute little holiday pay. So it's cute. I would like to go swimming. That would be cute. But I can't really get my hair wet because you know I'm still in the beginning stages. And then I got some vacation time coming up. But I don't think I'm gonna go nowhere because I've been saving for another vehicle. So I think I'm gonna just take them days and search for me one. Because I love my baby. My car name, her name is Dimples. I love my girl Dimples, but her name, Mama need a new pair of shoes, honey. Is that the saying? How the saying go? Either way it go, nigga, I'm tired of working on that bitch. Respectfully. Ain't nothing wrong with her, but it's like, I deserve a new car. You know what I'm saying? Just a cute little upgrade, you know. Anywho, y'all. I'm gonna take my ass back to the room. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe to your girl Isha Levette. And I'll catch you again on another one.